Hi everyone, my name is Celeste Kratz. I'm looking forward to beginning our second field placement as well as seminar course with everyone. My field placement is at a partial hospitalization program. It is a school-based program that takes place in elementary, middle, and high schools. Various students are selected for these programs on an on-rolling basis, and there is a certain criteria for these students to qualify for this program. I will mostly be with high school students and on some occasions junior high students. By that I mean 7th and 8th grade students once in a while. If a certain client absolutely needs a spot, they will allow a 7th and 8th grader in to this area. What I'm hoping to get out of this field experience is the ability to participate in more group sessions, family sessions, as well as one-to-one sessions with the clients. It is a goal of mine to further my skills when completing an in-depth psychological evaluation. And also I would like to gain more skill in medication management because I feel like one-to-one sessions and medication management definitely coincide with each other, and I would like to see that for myself. I hope the field seminar, though, can assist me in learning general protocols of the social work field. We've learned quite a few already, but there are so many that are national standards and so on that I think would be very helpful to myself as well as many others. Also, policies are something that I would like to stay up to par with, and I feel like this seminar course will definitely be bringing in a lot of policies based on certain subjects that we're going over each week. My field experience that I'm currently in now is much different from what I did do. My first field placement was with a medical social worker, so we didn't really do group sessions or family sessions under these kind of circumstances. So group sessions are conducted on a weekly basis, and each week is a different theme at the school, so I think that will definitely be great practice as a social worker. Also, the type of assessment that gets done initially on the clients is much different from a medical social work perspective. This one is more psychotherapy related and will take examples of certain situations the clients have had to further assess them. Also, I feel like I'm going to be more aware of the client's triggers in terms of why certain things are happening. I look forward to working with all you. Great luck.